I'm Matt Tietz, owner of McDonough Manufacturing. When we cut our first piece of steel in the 1880s, I'm sure the year 2023 was a distant dream. Wanting to simply create a better product than anything that was on the market was the goal, one that has remained since we opened our doors. A lot can happen in 130 years, a lot of highs, lows, and many things in between. But here we are, still cutting steel in 2023. The Eau Claire River runs through our veins and always will. The lifeblood of what we do originated on its banks. Our story began here in Sawdust City and made us who we are. We are fiercely proud of our history, and we are equally proud of our present. That is why I am proud to unveil our new company logo, recognizing our expansion into Canada and the value that our team brings both north and south of the border. I can't speak to Frank McDonough's goals back in 1888, but I can speak to our goals as they stand today. To remain a trusted supplier of sawmill machinery, an honest and supportive employer, and a positive presence in our communities.